Here's Mike, and I'd like to talk about XL Fleet Corp. This stock trades on the NYSE under symbol XL. This stock was up almost 10%, up to $21 after hours. It did pull back a little bit down to 2072. Look over the past month, this stock has been down from about the 26 level. However, if you go back over the past 6 months, this stock did have an incredible spike over here, moving very quickly from 14 to 32. So it kind of makes sense that this stock would pull back down as you get short-term profit takers come in. However, it looks like this stock is beginning to make its way back up. So what I do think, just looking at this 1 month chart here, is that the stock may pull back up to, let's say, the $23 to $26 level and trade sideways for a little while. However, I do think this XL Fleet could be a great long-term hold because of the business that it's in, and it's in electrifying fleet vehicles. So as you can see here, they do commercial fleet electrification, if I can pronounce that rightly. And they do, they basically convert your vehicle into a hybrid or plug-in hybrid, Chevy Silverados, F-150 pickups, Chevy GMC box trucks, cutaways, and all that. And of course, the whole EV space is going to be a growing space over the next 10 years. Probably the majority of fleet vehicles on the road are going to be hybrids or electric vehicles, just because it's going to make more sense to save money on fuel. The thing that really has prevented everybody from going straight into EV fleets is that the price of gas has been cheap, but eventually you could see the price of gas going up, or you could just see the government give out so many incentives to electrify your fleet or go into hybrids that it would just be so much more cost effective to electrify your fleet. And I think XL Fleet is a great solution for people who maybe already have vehicles that they just, instead of buying a whole new fleet, you just convert what you have into a plug-in hybrid system. So I definitely think across the board, anything involved with electric vehicles is going to do well everywhere, from like American Battery Metals Corp, that stock that I talked about that does battery recycling, your Teslas, your Neos, all of your commercial EV companies. And EV fleet, I think, is going to do really well. Now, I will say the stock is a little bit scary just because you very rarely see a stock chart that looks like this. Is not a normal stock chart. So I will say, if you do buy stock in XL Fleet Corp, you're going to want to have a long-term view on it, like a multi-year view, because it could have a lot of erratic ups and downs. But I think over the long term, this could definitely, it's a $2.73 billion company. I could see if a lot of fleets start going in and say, okay, we're going to electrify our vehicles, this could easily be a $5 to $10 billion company. In fact, I would say it would not surprise me if this stock hits $30 by the end of the year, like an almost 50% rise. And that's because I think the stock market in general is going to do really well, and EV stocks will do really, really well. So I would, and also, it's been above $30. So I think it could definitely make that run towards that $30 levels. It's not totally out of the realm of possibility. So if you're looking maybe to diversify your EV stock portfolio, definitely check out XL Fleet Corp. Again, it trades on the NASDAQ on symbol XL. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.